Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, we are going to show you on how you can go ahead and update or fix Monopoly Go if it's not updating. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. So if you head over to your Play Store and it doesn't seem that it has an update, but the Monopoly Go application needs an update, the first thing that you have to go ahead and do in order to fix this problem is by heading over to our system settings. And once inside, you can just go ahead and navigate through general, and from general we have our iPhone storage. This is where we can go ahead and find all of the applications that we have installed into our device. You can just go ahead and locate Monopoly Go from here, and once inside, we can then go ahead and see two buttons. One is for offloading the application and one is for deleting the application. If you go ahead and read this right here, this will free up storage used by the application but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the application will place back your data if the application is still available in the App Store. So you can just go ahead and offload Monopoly Go, and by reinstalling the application, it will automatically reinstall and get all of the updated files from the App Store. So guys, that is the way on how you can go ahead and fix this problem. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.